This is a tri-nut. It's a security nut. This is the driver for it. It has 3 grooves, and you can see it has 3 slots. That's why they call it a tri-nut. It has 3, tri. And it has these 3 grooves, and this is your driver. You put it into a ratchet, and it falls right in there. And then you just drive it into place. These are used a lot in TV installations in hotels, where they'll make sure that the TV cannot be removed from the wall. Tri-Groove nuts have these 3 grooves, and you need a special tool or socket to install it. And you see that they have those 3 grooves in it. So I'm going to demonstrate this right now, an installation of it. I'm putting it through my 3/8 steel here. I'm going to screw it on until it snugs up, and I'm going to tighten it up with this special tool. I need an adjustable on the other side. There we go. Give me a minute. There we go. I'm going to wedge it against the vise so I don't have to hold 2 hands. And with these, you can only do so much torquing with it, because otherwise it wants to skip out. Okay, that's the installation of a tri-groove nut. You can't put anything on this to take it off. It's all around. You have to have this tool to take it off. That's what's key to this nut. You can put this where you can't get to the head. There are installations where you won't be able to access the head, so you can't put anything on it. But also, if you can, then you would use a security screw with another type of security fastener or wrench to put it in place, like a Torx with a pin in the center. You can't take a wrench like this and take it off, because what happens is it's been designed to where you just slide. Now, let's try the ultimate to get this off. This is a vice grip. So if anything's going to take it off, it's going to be this. So let's see if we can do it. I haven't tried this, but I'm going to give it a shot. And I'm trying to grab it on the top ridge of it. And I'm going to try and lock the vice grip, see if it holds. Now, see what happens once I apply pressure, it starts to slide off. So let's see if I can get it this way. Now, there's not enough lip on the top to be able to use the vice grip to grab it. Even this way, I can't grab it. So there's basically no way to get this off unless you have the tool. It's too smooth. There's nothing for the vice grip to grab it. This is the tool if you're going to use anything to get this off without having the right tool, which is this socket with the tri-grooves in the socket, and that would take it off, put it on. I'm going to take it off now. As you can see, you have the right tool, you can remove it. So I have here a breakaway security nut. Basically, it has a nut welded, or it's an integral part of, not even welded, it's an integral part of the process when they made this. There is a weak point right here at the neck. So as pressure gets put on the nut side to tighten it, that will break away from the security cone nut. Now, this is almost the same thing as a tri-groove nut, but doesn't have the tri-grooves in it to remove this nut down the road. So there'll be only one way to remove this nut. Is you're gonna have to take a abrasive, you have to cut the ends, or put some type of groove in it that you can get a flat head screwdriver in it, or a vice grip around it. So I'm going to demonstrate this now, the installation and how it breaks away. So I'm going to put a carriage bolt in here, and I'm going to hand turn this on like that. I'm going to snug it up. Now this is for demonstration purposes. These particular breakaway nuts are used a lot in street signs. So if you go out in the street and look at the signs, you'll find them there. So I have this snug right now on this piece of steel, and I'm going to start to tighten it. Once it reaches to a certain pressure, it's going to break, and you're going to watch that happen right here, okay? I'm just going to turn it, and the other side's turning on me, so I'm going to hold it, and now it's going to pop off. And that's what you have when you're all said and done. And this is the nut part that snapped off. And now you're not going to get this off unless you use a grinder with an abrasive and you cut grooves in it and then take it off with a wrench. So it's a process. So I have my cordless grinder with a abrasive wheel on it, and I'm going to cut a groove on this side and the other side. No matter what you do, you can't grip it. So we have to create something to grip it. So we're going to cut the edge there a little bit to flatten it out and see how we do. Here we go. So I did one side over here. I'm going to do the other side now. As you can see there, it's cut so we can get a wrench on it. That only took me about a minute, minute and a half. I'm going to stick a vice grips on it. And we're going to turn it. And there it is. I've taken it off. Took me a couple of minutes just to get it off. And that's how you would remove a security nut without any grooves to use a tool on it.